हेलो फ्रेंड, अब बात करता हूँ मैं हुमायूं के बारे में। तो हुमायूं का टाइम पीरियड है 1530 से लेकर 1540 एडी तक। और उसके बाद ये 15 साल तक घास छीलते हैं। उसके बाद 1556 से 1555 से लेकर 1556 तक ही वॉज द एल्डेस्ट सन ऑफ बाबर। ये बाबर का एल्डेस्ट सन होता है दोस्त। ही असेंडेड द थ्रोन इन 1530 एडी। His succession was challenged by his brother Kamran, Hindal, Askari and Afghan as well. Humayun's brother Kamran controlled Afghanistan and Punjab region. He fought two battles against Sher Shah Suri, Afghani ruler at Chosa in 1539 AD and Kannauj or Bilgram in 1540 AD, where he was completely defeated by Sher Shah. Humayun, after losing battle, took refuge at Safavid dynasty at Iran. Okay, his sister Gulbadan Begum wrote his biography Humayun Nama. Okay, after Sher Shah's death, Humayun regained his empire in 1555 AD. He built Din Panah at Delhi as his second capital. He died in 1556 after falling from the stairs of his library. ये था हुमायूं के बारे में। इसी में बात कर लेते हैं शेर शाह सूरी के बारे में। तो शेर शाह सूरी का टाइम पीरियड होता है 1540 से लेकर 1545 तक। इसका ओरिजिनल नेम होता है फरीद खान और ही वाज द सन ऑफ हसन खान द जहांगीर ऑफ सासाराम बिहार। इब्राहिम लोधी ट्रांसफर्ड हिज फादर जागीर टू हिम। बैटल ऑफ शेर शाह सूरी 1539 AD। He defeated Humayun in Battle of Chausa and then assumed the title Sher Shah. Okay. 1540, he defeated Humayun in Battle of Kannauj, Bilgram and annexed Kannauj under him. Okay, and Humayun tomb at New Delhi, built by Bega Begum, Haji Begum, his widow. Sarai were shelters that provided food, water, and lodging for travelers while traveling through the GT road. He introduced Rupaya as coin and fixed standard weight and measure all over the empire. He built Grand Trunk Road runs from Chittagong, Bangladesh to Peshawar. Land revenue system. He started a land revenue system where the land was measured at and one third of the average land was fixed as a land tax. The peasant was given patta, title deed and a kubaliyat, deed of agreement, which had fixed peasant right and taxes. Zamindars were removed and taxes collected directly. डेथ कब होता है इसका 1545 एडी में वाइल कॉन्करिंग कालिंजर। ओके, इसको कहाँ बुरी किया जाता है? सासाराम बिहार में। और ही बिल्ड पुराना किला एट दिल्ली। तो आपको समझ में आया होगा।